All right, cool. Let's go. Let's get this started. Welcome back. It's Friday. See if we can catch a banger, a much needed banger. It's been a very slow week, but let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. We got Obi in the house, and we are live.
Last day of the month.
Yeah, hopefully. We'll see. Turn off the echo, and we are good to go. All right. So, what do you guys see, man? I'm looking at a very strong market, but RTY is not in agreement at the moment. So that right there could be the clue we need for a nice transition here. RTY driving back into these overnight order blocks, sweeping out Asia low, London low, driving into that New York session hourly order block. Really nice drive here.
Take notes. Wait till some double is set. Wait for it to catch your breath, and then go up there and just.
There we go. So from what I can see, 930 opens higher. All time highs once again. No lie, bro. I'm starting to be convinced that this isn't gonna stop going higher. Trump, it's like he won't let it happen, bro.
That's what I'm saying, man.
I don't. Yeah, it's just buy, buy, buy. I was going back, bro. You know how far I had to go back for a good sales trade, bro. It's been weeks since there's been a good sell setup. Every day it's been buying, buying, buying.
So what the heck, bro? Like it's not even pulling back. It's just like
It's
ripping
just,
and
bro.
it's
It's
gone.
yeah, it's gone. Like it's like if you have options trades open, you are printing. If you're just buying the dips,
Bad, bro. See, this is the best option days.
my
Bye.
goodness, bro.
Bye.
I am, yeah, bro. This is crazy. There's not much to say other than find a reason to buy. Find a reason to buy. But on that note, we are probably going to end up finding a reason to buy.
Yeah, it's the last day of the month. It's Friday. Um, let's see if they can give us something nice, bro.
All right, so yeah, notice the SMT off that low there. We sweep out that 9 a.m. low. Nice pivot there. Let's see what happened here. We might be able to get a trade off of this already, bro. Let's see. Because RTY should start flipping. If the RTY can give us a bullish shift here, then you can start to draw up an idea that should hold. Okay, yeah, RTY is still weak. You need to start flipping these bearish candles.
Look at the divergence between Russell and the Dow.
Bro, I deleted the Dow from my brain, bro. I did some research, bro. The Dow has nothing to do with the Nasdaq. Like the stocks that are in the Dow are not stocks that the Nasdaq would care for or track. It's a completely it's a what do they call it? Industrial stocks. We're tech stocks. Those are industrial stocks. So it makes you wonder, like, who told people that the Dow was a good reference for
And what's
divergence?
crazy, it's only 30 stocks. The
Exactly,
S&P
bro.
has 500. The Nas has
Exactly.
100.
Exactly. Bro, I'm telling you, I was digging into it and I was in disbelief. I'm like, bro, there's no way people are advertising YM over RTY for a reference. And And when I really got those answers, I'm like, bro, get this out of my face, bro. It makes
Yeah.
sense now why the Dow would just be going completely opposite. It made so much more sense.
Be in his own land, his own
Yeah, bro.
world.
Completely different world. But RTY, on the other hand, has a 80 to 88% correlation. So let's put that in perspective. Let me type it up here. What is the average correlation for ES2 NQ futures chart?
ES and NQ are very correlated.
So yeah, it's 89, bro. Futures typically boast a very strong average correlation of about 89%. RTY is 88%, bro.
Wow.
YM is 70%. So there's no reason to even be looking at YM if you have those three so closely related.
So basically, when one of them flips, you can basically front run it because you know it's gonna flip.
If you can figure out which one's lying, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
If you
If
figure
you
out
can
which
figure
one's
out
lying,
it.
yeah, that's facts. And I think RTY is going to start flipping here to show you that it's not really weak. And I'm looking over here to see if anything makes sense right now. Why does he have that? Should not have that.
These old heads always want to talk about some S&P 500 shit.
Bro, who you got game 7, bro?
Shit, bro. You watched that game last night?
No, I already knew Spurs were.
Spurs smacked it. Bro, when I tell you they were football tackling SGA. Like, they wanted to hurt this
For real?
man. They wanted to break this man's legs, bro. It was a fun game to watch. I got Spurs in 7.
Oh, man.
OT. Overtime.
I got Thunder, bro.
Can't. You can't, bro. You can't count Wembanyama out, man.
He's going to have to score 50.
Yeah. And guess what? When is the next game, actually? Hold on.
It's like
Today?
Saturday. No, it's like Saturday or
that's
Sunday.
right. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. It's in Oklahoma?
Yeah, bro. It's game 7. They're going back to OKC. OKC is about to dog walk them, bro.
God damn it. This whole series, they've only lost at their court. They've never won.
Right. That's what creates a game 7 when everybody just pretty much wins at home. They can't win on the road. Yeah. That's the perfect NBA series though. That's how the NBA wants it. So you get the most views, the most ticket sales.
Yeah.
That's exactly what they want.
And you already know they gotta get all the refs to help SGA tonight.
Exactly. It's gonna take a lot for the Thunder to lose at home, game 7. It'll take literally the best game the Spurs have ever played.
Yeah, Wembanyama literally gotta go bonkers.
Literally, he can't come out the game because the Spurs bench cannot compete with the Thunder's bench at all.
Well, after last night, if you saw the way they were playing, the way Wembanyama was locking up.
You gotta understand it's a system, bro. The Thunder don't try on the road because they save their energy for home. They know they're gonna blast them in OKC, so it's like, why even go out here and try? Let the Spurs get their win at home for their fans because fans equal tickets, tickets equal happy everybody, and then yeah, bro, it's really a business, it's entertainment, bro.
That makes sense.
Bro, they don't even try on the road. Because
how did you know that? Because yesterday they got blown out, and the way I was looking, they were playing. They just looked like they didn't even care.
Exactly. I don't even watch the games no more, bro. I've seen too much to understand. It's a business, bro. But it's also like logical at the same time because the Spurs are too good for you to go in there and send them home in San Antonio. You're not gonna do that. So why even try? Just let them have their win. Save your energy. Let them wear themselves out winning this game. And meanwhile, Game 7 Thunder are going to be fresh, and the Spurs are coming off fighting for their life.
Yeah.
That's coaching, though. If you're a good coach, that's how you would approach it.
But you know what's funny? That's exactly what the Spurs announcer said. They said the OKC coach is always playing chess.
Right.
He's thinking down like why did they sit out SGA and what's the other guy's name? That tall dude,
Chet or Hockenstein?
Chet Holmgren.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Like, why was he sitting out most of the third quarter when you guys were down 10? That makes sense now. Like everything you said.
It's a business, bro, and they do it really well because the average fan would not notice it. They would be like, "Oh, Spurs Game 7 for sure. I'll bet my life on it," and then you're gonna lose your life.
Hey, lose your life. But bro, the fucking OKC hate is real, bro. Everyone hates them. I'm sorry. No one likes them. Everyone hates SGA. He's the most hated player. The guy's more hated than Jason Tatum was in Boston. Oh fuck, man! This is like a whole lot of.
My bad.
It's all good.
Ripping.
I know. I just want one pullback so we can get in long, bro. For fuck's sake.
I'm waiting for the RTY to show that same thing, bro. It should start flipping, but it's not. RTY tapping into that. We're probably about to get some news, bro. This is the same thing that happened yesterday. Remember? RTY was like lagging, and then magically, oh, Iran news. RTY rips up and catches up in two seconds.
Yeah, dude, that was crazy.
Yeah, bro. It's maybe one day we'll figure out how to get some insider news information and start front running these pumps.
Yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice, man. You know, like me as a trader, I know my weaknesses and my like where what I'm good at, what I'm good at trading, how I'm good at trading. Like step ladder updates, it's so hard for me, man.
True.
It's always been like this for me. I don't know about you, but
bro,
for me
honestly,
it's hard.
Bro, as long as it's showing that it wants to go somewhere, we'll be all right. We'll be all right.
All right.
The RTY, bro, I'm telling you, bro, that's my edge. Because a lot of the trades I've taken the past couple weeks, you're like, bro, I don't know how you held it through. I'm like, bro, the RTY is not bearish. There's no reason for us to go lower. And sure enough, bang. It's that, and nobody talks about it, so it's like it's even better.
No, it's like the hidden gem. I'm telling you.
Nobody talks about it. It's like they don't even know it exists. But so like, how do you explain this massive push up with the RTY going lower? It looks pretty simple when you think about power of 3, 930 open lower on RTY, giving you manipulation. We're getting some accumulation now, and soon we'll probably just break out, or vice versa, right? We might pull back here on these Nasdaq charts. We got these imbalances being created. 15-minute gap on the way here. Yeah, we're chilling, man. We're chilling, man.
15-minute gap play.
Right, yeah, that'll be so clean, bro. Just 15-minute. Yeah, That would be clean.
10 a.m. should open here and pull back. Let's see. And then RTY catches up. That will be A plus plus plus.
Man, let's see. Because RTY hasn't made that all-time high from Wednesday. It left equal highs up here, accumulated overnight. We're dipping into this imbalance. Yeah, bro. It just looks extremely bullish. Somehow these charts just did not bother to fill that weekly open like we thought. I think it was the news that did it, bro, because I really believe we were right. It was going to short. And then that news came out. It's been going up ever since.
Yeah.
Equal lows for NASDAQ right above the weekly open. Come on, bro.
I still think he'll take it out. Like, it's not today.
Oh, yeah.
Not today.
Exactly. Yeah. Next week, we should have some news. Let's look at next week, bro. Let's see if we have anything to look forward to, man. June 1st. Red news right out the gate. Let's go, man.
Okay. 15-minute gap.
Bro, we have red news every day of the week next week. Let's go, man. That should be a $2,000 week per account, man.
There we go.
3 or 4 bangers.
$2,000 weeks is like my favorite. Just like
Yeah.
get a payout at like in 2 weeks. You get a nice fat payout and just chill.
Man. Let's see. We're chilling. Good. See, DP, you catch something yet? I'm sure DP probably about to post a text. I caught the bottom. Let me see.
He is good at that.
Yep, my buy right now running for TP 73 points. I told you. SMT off London low.
Damn. We gotta get DP on the stream, dog. He's doing something we don't
Actually,
know.
for real, yeah. Jump in, bro.
He knows.
Jump in, bro. That wouldn't be a bad idea. Have the 3 charts up. But it's officially summertime, bro. Time to plan a vacation, bro. They gonna go into Orlando this time.
Where Florida? I mean, you're in Florida. Like,
Yeah.
isn't Florida itself a vacation area?
I mean, it just depends on what you want to do.
Mhm.
Yeah, but definitely, yeah. Everything out here is pretty much summer vibes.
Orlando's chill too. Like, I heard it's nice out there.
Bro, Orlando has everything.
Uh,
Everything except yachts and beaches.
they got like they have like that nightlife.
Oh yeah, but that's not the real mission for me. It's the theme parks. It's the food. It's the like the amenities, the festivities. They have a bunch of cool arcades, bunch of cool water parks, bunch of cool theme parks.
I heard Orlando has like one of the biggest water parks. Is that true?
Um,
Something like that.
I wouldn't know in comparison, but they do have big water parks.
All right, 10 a.m. is here. So
Let's
what's the
manipulate
game
again.
plan?
RTY still got these accumulation lows. It's going right for it. Opening lower.
We want to see the Russell flip here, go higher,
Excuse me.
or just buy it and close your eyes and pray. 'Cause that's what's been working.
Oh my goodness. It is still, bro. Let's go, Russell. If the RTY can give you something clean here, I'm going to try to buy something in here because let me check the rest of the market. Something's going on in the stock market. Maybe we're missing here. Heat map stocks. Nvidia's already up 1.5%. Or 1.3%. Apple's barely. Google negative. Microsoft 3%. Let's look at Microsoft. Let's see, open Microsoft. open Microsoft gaps up and just rips, bro.
Yeah,
What else?
we might have a step ladder update the whole day today, bro. Last day of the month, they just take it higher and higher and higher and higher.
For real.
We got a very bullish close on the 1 or the 4 hour chart too, on Nasdaq.
Right.
Let me see here something. Yeah, this is super bullish, guys.
It's crazy.
307.
RTY should start to show some strength here in a second. And the moment it does, that's my continuation cue. I'll start looking for a second stage, some sort of order block up here, whether it's a 5-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute,
Yeah.
or even a fair value gap, something that rebalances and then continues. It'll be that simple.
You love me more than anyone in the world.
There goes RTY showing some life. I might even buy RTY today, bro. I'm in that type of mood, bro.
I'm thinking about just jabbing 3 micro shorts here on NQ and just holding it.
Let's see. Off
If
of
RTY flips.
if the RTY flips.
Only if RTY flips, yeah.
Let's see, man. Is there any fair value gap being held right now? 1 minute, 2 minute, something.
Every single order block's getting respected, dude. It's actually insane.
How was overnight price? Overnight didn't do anything. So this could be a lot of built up orders from overnight just rallying right now.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, we're chilling. Let's see here.
There goes Russell. There it goes.
There it is. Yeah, it's trying to get going here. Still underneath midnight. Still got a long way to go if we're going to be bullish like the others. Yeah, I wouldn't mind trading the Russell today, to be honest.
I don't know the sizing, contract sizing. How is it? Is it like now?
Let me actually search it. I didn't, I used the tool, so it just gives you the answer. But let's see. How many
tick? How?
It's the contracts. How much is each point worth on the
Russell
micro Russell contracts futures? All right, so here we go. $5 per point on the. No, that's
per
not
point.
It's not the micro, bro. So $5. Bro, I said micro. How much are the micro? And it's showing me minis. Like, come on, bro.
Let's just see it. I'm just gonna do this. The thing.
For example, if you're long on the M2K and the Russell.
Oh yeah, bro. This doesn't pay shit. You gotta go with 10. You gotta go with minis on the Russell. You can't. Yeah. You don't even have to trade the micro. You can trade the minis.
Facts, yeah. So the mini is $5 per point.
Yeah. So right now, if you go in with,
it's just like ES micro.
Yeah, if you go in with one mini on the Russell, you're covering the swing low. It's only $200. Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. So wait. The RTY is $50 per contract. Bro, this is being stupid. I'll figure it out myself. AI sounds stupid trying to explain this. So all we gotta do is put our tool on the screen, put it at a price. If we cover the low, go one contract, cover the low. So cool. Here we go.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
So 1 point would be worth $50. 1 point on the RTY is $50. So that means divide that by 10. 1 point on the On the micro, it's
$5.
$5. Yeah, so I would be on the micros. It's just like the micro ES. Because it's actually the same as ES all the way around because ES is $50 per point as well.
Mm.
Perfect, yeah. So yeah, that's the same as ES. There goes that pullback too. Nice. All right, so where's that gap at? 15-minute gap. Hopefully the speed continues, but so far it's been chop on the RTY. Yeah, pure chop.
This reminds me of summer price action.
Bro, I get kind of sad thinking about summer price action, bro. It's gonna be miserable unless you
Yeah.
have some sort of game plan.
And it's so important to have cushion and a lot of accounts ready for that. You do not want to be like full porting and trying to make everything
Yeah,
in one trade.
yeah.
You should be in survival mode, just getting base hit payouts. Don't go for nothing crazy. That's my game plan.
Yep. Yep. Keep it simple. Take the small move, get out, stack
Yeah.
it up.
Like yesterday, right when remember you ended the stream, we were on call. Right when the
Oh, yeah,
S&P happened, you saw that? I was like, bro, just buy it, front run it.
Oh yeah, yeah. It rips
Hit
up. But it was funny because what was it? What happened? Oh, I was on the way. I was on the way to pick up my son. So I was
Yeah.
trying to get in on my eval at the right time, and I ended up getting a bad feel, but then I was like, I don't really care, just see if it keeps going. And then it ended up pulling all the way back, stopped me out, and then ends up bouncing off of the same exact area. So if you would have got the right feel last PM session, you would have got a banger. You just had to get a feel around that bottom. It was pretty choppy otherwise. Where are we at? A bunch of range, but at least we're starting to push lower here.
There we go. It's pulling back now.
All right,
Finally.
Nice. I like these bearish gaps on the RTY here. If these can hold, that'll be your cue to look for that retracement into these 15-minute gaps down below. Oh, ES already tapping into one.
Yeah, ES is tapping into one. Nasdaq
Nice.
hasn't.
Nice. Really nice. Nice. So, what are you guys seeing? I'm seeing a potential top, but the fair value gap could be continuation here. Because there really isn't much going on over here.
I missed that 1 week where every day we were both catching bangers.
Bro, oh
Bangers,
my, bro.
bangers.
Bro, I was going back and reviewing those weeks. I'm like, what was so different? Why was the market so clean in those scenarios? And it was literally just news. That's the only thing that was different. The news was every day, 10 a.m. power of 3 print, 10 a.m. power of 3 print.
Yeah.
It was just clean.
I was getting SMT models, the ones that my favorite models. I kept seeing them. I was like, man, this is beautiful.
Like literally. And when you got in the trade, it didn't chop around. It went straight to target.
Yeah.
Could not beat that.
All right, NQ's pulling back. Here we go. All right.
Boom, boom, boom,
So,
boom, boom, boom.
This is great. This is great. Because I'm still not bearish. I'm bullish. I'm buying. I'm 15 minutes getting tapped. Should we front run it? That's the question. Inversion.
I was
What do
gonna
you think?
say, yeah, it depends on
Inversion.
if you can get some inversions, you can jab it, but
Yeah, I
there's
end up
so
like
much.
Timmy.
I was gonna say there's so much. Look at these lows down here, bro. I would rather see it dump back to midnight. It's a Friday, bro. Like no news Friday. Why are you so bullish? Why are these markets so strong? Like I don't see a reason. We've already been pushing up all week. Like, come on, bro. Give us a healthy retracement. Look at this, bro. Since Thursday, it's just been a straight line almost.
Yeah, and that's why I'm just gonna hop on the trend, dude. Like I'm not. I'm just gonna buy this 15-minute. As soon as we see a 1-minute 60,
Facts.
I
Here,
don't.
draw it up. Let me put your screen up so you can draw it
We
up.
hit the 15-minute gap. I mean, like I haven't took a trade all week either, so I wanted to try it. So I want to see something like this. Boom,
Where we
boom,
at?
boom, boom.
All right, there it is. You're showing now.
M15 gap. Oh, hey. What you think of Drake's new album? You think it's fire?
I haven't listened to it. You'll hear it because everybody else plays it in clips and all that. But I probably heard like one or two songs on YouTube. But I don't really listen to rap like that no more, bro.
It's not just rap. It's like I don't know how to explain it. It's like it's not rap. It's just like it's a vibe.
Boom, 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 boom. RTY is bleeding. Nasdaq is
Pumping still.
tapping into this bearish 1 minute gap. Let's see what happens. It's rejecting it so far.
Yeah. That's why I'm waiting for closure above that, and I'll give it my first jab at longs. Because if today is gonna really be just a step ladder update the whole day to close out the month, then it is what it is, bro.
I'm thinking this gonna keep going lower for at least for 30 minutes, maybe an hourly candle retracement. But RTY is just not showing any strength. But we are tapping into some levels here. We took out all the overnight lows. We're pushing back into the previous daily low here in a second on RTY. Maybe that's where it finds that strength. But the moment, like we said, the moment RTY can show you a clean break higher, I'll be looking to buy. But right now it's like
Okay, so we got a new 15-minute candle open here. Are we gonna sweep? Okay,
yeah, bro,
we
there
swept
goes
the
more
low.
selling. Yeah, bro, this is if we can hold underneath that low with maybe what time is it? 10:15. Yeah, this just looks like it's gonna keep going lower. RTY is dumping, bro. It's dead. RTY is dead. Don't buy Nasdaq yet.
Yeah, obviously not.
Where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin, I'm sorry, but I think Bitcoin is losing this aura.
Oh, it's done, bro. Bearish. Look at the monthly close on Bitcoin.
Yeah, it's
Dude, look at where's my Bitcoin? Dude, look. I had this charted like months ago, bro. Look at this, bro. I already knew. I said, bro, if it can't close above this 2 deviation, it's bearish. Exactly what I said happened. Boom, dumping.
boom, dumping.
Look at the monthly fair value gap rejecting. What's sitting
Dump.
right here? Dump.
Yeah, I like this shift on. We might get a trend shift also. Let's see. Oh no, no trend shift, but I like this shift bearish here. Previous daily high underneath 930 opening underneath. We could end up revisiting that before it even thinks about going higher. So let's see here. I might play. If we get a pullback into one of these gaps up here and it holds, I might play a short, bro. Which one's weaker though? ES or NAS? They're both pretty strong, huh? Dang, yeah, they're both just free running now. Let's see if we get a pullback, bro. I think we will, but might not. It is just leaking. All right, what else? Who is stronger? Let's find out. Oh, okay, NASDAQ for sure. We never filled that weekly open gap on NAS. Previous daily high, we're both above previous daily high. Overnight session, we got, what do we get? What did we get here on the overnight session? 330 is the low. Midnight is the low. So yeah, NASDAQ is slightly stronger. Dang, bro. I wish it would have pulled back. I would have tried to short this. I think it will pull back though. You see that what was it? That 1008 1 minute bearish gap.
Mm-hmm.
That's the point of interest, right? Oh, it's gone now. It's gone.
It's okay.
Maybe a 5 minute gap creates here. I don't know, but yeah, you can see 10 a.m. opens higher, sweeps, dumps back into all these imbalances, all these trend line lows.
I'm not convinced on the shorts yet. It has to break that 934 low for me to go bearish.
This was a short I was hoping for, just to retrace back down lower.
Yeah.
Like you said, I don't know if it keeps going. It's just so lame. We got one shift and then boom, it runs away.
Yeah, this might just been a pullback that we're waiting for to shake out the.
Uh-oh. There's something happening right now. We're pushing up. I like this. If we can hang out back in this bearish area, I think we hit 930 again at least. That's my target. If we can just retest 930, I'll kill my short idea. 930 is definitely a magnet, just like 10 a.m. typically. So I say we end up hitting that 9. Oh, there it goes. It's gonna go straight to it. Oh my goodness, bro. It's like every time I try to get an idea, it doesn't want to give you a chance, bro.
This is bazonkers.
Just literally 10 a.m. open higher, change, shift, trend shift back to 930. Why 930? Because 930 is sitting right in the middle of that 15-minute. Well, not the middle. 930 is the 15-minute gap. That's the candle that created that 15-minute gap. Now we're driving into that 15-minute gap. RTY is pushing, just leaking. No interest in higher, like at all. So why not look for the short there, and then it just runs without you.
Yeah.
We'll see though. It's 10:20, right? Looking at the 30-minute chart, this 30-minute candle hasn't tapped into any timestamps. It hasn't swept any 30-minute lows. So if we're truly bearish, we'll probably take out one of these 30-minute lows before going higher, is what I would like to see, man. Ideally, if this 15-minute holds up, then it won't even give you, it won't even give you a chance to short here. It'll just break through all these bearish gaps, and then you long it. Type of deal. Invert. What is this, a 5-minute gap? Yeah, so we got a 5-minute bearish gap here. 4-minute, 3-minute. Yeah, so imagine that bearish gap gets flipped. Then maybe we can start looking for the long off of it. But right now, it's like, man, SMT off the high, trend shift lower, bang. Boom, 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 boom. Now we do got more 1 minute gaps here that should hold up if we're bearish. And then just flip this low. And then maybe that next 30-minute candle can open up here, something like
Benjamin's also drawing up shorts. He's like, it's gonna.
it's
Yeah,
coming. Yeah.
he said either were two things gonna happen here. I agree. It's either we're either gonna. Let me show you guys. This is either what's gonna happen here. We're gonna accumulate, manipulate, accumulate, manipulate, and distribute. Take out all these lows. This is gonna happen, or we're gonna just accumulate, accumulate, and then just expand higher since we're an all-time high. That's exactly what he said.
Facts. Young Ben. Let's see which one actually wins here. I'm
Yeah.
leaning more shorts, but it all just depends, like I said, on how these 30-minute candles align for me.
I agree. It's a Friday, bro. Like, come on. There's no way they just buy an infinite bid on a Friday. That was crazy.
Literally.
But I like it. I mean, I'm open to both.
Yeah, the buys.
If we break this our rock, we're gonna have to short it together. So, and we'll target
Which one? Which gap?
That first presented.
Oh, okay.
The first presented gets broken.
Okay, yeah, and it's holding right now. Yeah, that's a good reference. Good reference. Great reference point there. It's showing some life. So if price tries to run from there, go higher, it'll probably bottom out there.
This is basically what I'm looking for.
I like the volume. As long as the volume is steady like this, we're chilling. We'll catch a trade. Because I'm already, like I said, like low key ready for the short. It's just a matter of getting the proper timing, bro. This is crazy. It's way too weak, though. The further it runs, the worse the trade idea gets. Like, come on. All right, so it looks like we're holding this lower bearish gap here. 10-15 1 minute gap. There's a 2 minute gap. Okay, there we go. Now I like that a lot. NASDAQ and ES tap into that 2 minute bearish. Beautiful rejection. You want to see it start to flip here.
Yeah.
Like you said, that first presented is in the way. We get through that. That'll be nice. Boosha. I love the weakness though. The weakness is undeniable here.
Yeah.
Let's get a nice close underneath this red line. Come on, you can do it. There it is. Good job. So actually, bro, I'm starting to look at these lows over here on overnight lows because RTY is so far past them. We could easily take out pre-market lows here. At the least, these 8:30 lows would be my draw. And then higher time frame London low.
All right, I'm gonna try these. Just
what time is it? 10:25. Yeah.
Yeah, here I'm gonna try this.
You should be good. Yeah, your screen is showing still. Yeah. Let them know your entry price. Stops.
I'm a short right here, bro.
And targets. 11 seconds. Bang. All right, there we go. That's nice. That is nice, my friend. I'm going to probably short with you, bro, once this new 30-minute candle
We need
opens.
a dump. Like, we need a dump here. I do not want to see it show.
I'm going to jump in once this, oh, there you go.
Oh, shoot. There we go.
There it is. There it is.
There we go, guys. Well, I gotta do something real quick.
There it is. Bang, bang. Oh, I forgot.
I'm a little too excited.
Boom. Which one do you short? Like you said, ES is weaker, right? I think
Yeah.
ES slightly weaker. I'll probably short ES here. As soon as we open this next 30-minute candle, if it gives me any pullback, I'll short with you, bro. Dump it, dump it, dump it. It's gone. Let's go.
All right, guys, we are floating. We're floating like 40 handles right now.
Oh yeah, and then RTY is pushing to that previous daily low. So yeah, you got some higher time frame targets, bro. This could run all session. This could run all session just straight to those targets. Where's that 2-minute level at? Up here. Cool. So we're tapping that previous daily high for ES. So you're gonna get a bounce off of it.
So now,
boom.
I need to see inversion on the 15-minute.
1-minute bearish gap approaching right now. That's probably where I'll try to get in at. Yeah, I'll probably try to get in here, bro. It's 3 minutes until the next 30-minute candle. So
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking at here.
This is not a good closure, bro. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Dude, if this gap gets disrespected, I'm gonna have to cut it. You're just too bullish, bro. Yeah. This is not good. Needs to dump here. Needs to dump.
Yeah, this is where I'm watching for an entry here. We turn from here. I'm gonna jump in.
Yeah.
And then, like I said, that new 30-minute candle is about to open. So that's gonna tell you whether it wants to continue or not. We have that previous daily high, like I mentioned on ES, right? We tapped that previous daily high and showed nice strength. But you anticipate that, like that's what you should anticipate those types of things. It's gonna bounce, whether it's bullish or not. It'll try and bounce off that previous daily high, and then it absorbs those buyers and still go lower, or it'll bounce and break structure, right? So
yeah,
hopefully we get this turn back lower and then continue these shorts. 930 price is also in that area as well.
No, that's not good. That's not a good closure. Come on, just dump, bro. I'll have my stop right above this high. Don't want to see this gap get inverted. Don't want to see it get inverted. Don't want to see it get inverted.
You still got EMA support too, so I think the selling pressure should continue here. All right, here we go. 1029.
All right. Minus $100 on that. I'm out of this. Going to wait.
Let's see if this holds, bro. If this holds, definitely I'm gonna try
I'll get
to
back
short
in.
too. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back in.
Let's see if this holds. Boom, boom, boom.
If we flip this gap, then we have to basically buy it. If we just start flipping all these bearish gaps, that would be crazy. All right.
I like the shorts, bro. I don't think it's really bullish. Like I said, that previous daily high, you're gonna see a bounce off of it. Typically.
Yeah.
I just want to see it turn. If we get the same type of selling pressure after tapping that previous daily high, yeah. We have these bearish gaps. Look at here, I'll show my chart. Look at
so your
gap,
chart?
that swing high that price put in here is what I'm looking at. Transition, there it is. So here, this is what I'm watching right here. This swing high. If we can maintain this area here and show more rejection, I'll short it.
Yeah.
Same thing on ES. Swing high there. Boom, boom, boom.
Where are you? Let me pull you up.
There we go. So there's two bearish gaps that put in swing highs. This first one, swing high. And then this second one right here, swing high. Right, if we're trending lower, this area will give us some more selling pressure. We didn't tap the previous day high on NASDAQ. We did tap it on ES. EMA still bearish. RTY still bearish. No bearish gaps have been broken on the RTY.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like if it's like I said, if it's gonna go bullish, it's gonna be so obvious that it'll tell us straight up because RTY
Yeah.
joined the party, right? Because we do
Yeah.
have major SMTs off of this.
This is a key level, the area we're in. Like right now, it's either we're going up or we're going lower.
Exactly. Right. Exactly.
I
We
had
are
to
tapping
jab it.
that 3.
If we get another break-in structure here, I'm just gonna
Alright,
try it
alright.
again. Shit.
Yep. Yep. And I'm right there with you. I like these shorts too, bro. Boom, boom, boom. There goes some selling pressure. There goes that continuation vibe. Let's see if we can get a strong 1 minute close. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. ES looks good. Yeah, let's get ready, guys. I'm going 7 points on that. And I'm going 1.5 R. Did Ben get in yet?
Yeah, Ben's in short he's also short.
Okay, there it is. So let's draw this up. Create limit order. It would be 10 MES. It's 500. So yeah, I'm short 14 right now. Let's see.
I'm in with.
Yeah, let's go short. Let's go short 14 contracts here on the micro. Oh, look at that. Immediate rejection off of that. Hold on, let me fix this. All right, yeah. Short off of that, what was that? That 1 minute close, nice rejection, stop above this swing high in here. Cool. 14 is that. All right, cool. 14. And what else am I looking at?
What's your stop? 601.
601, yeah. Stops up there at these swing highs right here. You want to see this EMA squeeze and reject price right now. If not, RTY is going to try to flip bullish right now. No way.
No, this is not good.
You see how price waits for you to get in to show all the energy.
Yeah, I'm. All right, yeah,
that's hilarious. So this gonna get slapped in the face, and then it's gonna go bullish. Yeah, that's hilarious, bro. It gave you this 1 minute candle is the only reason I liked it, and immediately absorbed it. Oh, look at that 2 minute bullish gap respected. Yeah, if anything, you'll make your money back on this buy. So
just I'm down price. 300. I got one more trade left in me today.
Just had to pay the price to find out which way price was going today, huh? That's so stupid.
Yeah, it is what it is, bro.
Yeah, let's see if we actually break this level, though. Let's see if we actually break this level. Because RTY, yeah, RTY is showing some strength as well, man. But there we go. Let's go. Come on, don't even play anymore now. You know, there we go. There we go. Keep it going. Same. Look at the rejection, bro. Look at the levels that are. It may not, run lower, but at least we know we're using the right levels because the same reaction I'm looking for keeps happening from that same red swing point here.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. That's beautiful rejection right there. Now you just need another strong 1 minute close. RTY, what are you doing? RTY, what are you doing, man? Come on, let's go. Stop it. That's short. Less short. Come on.
But I keep getting shitty fucking fills, man. God damn it.
Come on, man. Just short, bro. We tapped into the previous daily high. We're flipping these bullish candles like we would anticipate, but you want to see a strong move underneath this previous daily high, bro. And that should open the floodgates, and we should literally just dunk for a living here. There we go. Come on. Finish it. Come on. Finish it. Put a TP down here. Midnight price, previous session low, all that 75.80. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Finally. God damn, bro. I'm down 400, 5, 6, 7, 800.
Bro, come on. Don't play now. I want to see straight selling pressure, bro. Oh, this is not fun, bro. It's not fun. It's not fun, these unnecessary pullbacks, bro. After breaking certain levels, you want to see it just run, bro. Guys, we might be in for some choppy McChop, man. Dang, bro. Just run, kid. We got so many lows down here that I want to see hit. They make it so hard to hold these trades, bro. Just dump, bro.
Yeah, it's like kind of spooky right now, bro.
Literally, bro. There you go. Dump it. Dump it. Don't even look back now, kid. You got it. You've already broken previous daily low. What session low? Like I said, we have these pre-market lows here that I want to see hit. I think we might be in trouble, bro. I need to see speed right now, or it's going to try to play games.
Yeah.
But RTY sold off so much that I think ES and NQ should at least take overnight lows, man.
At least, like bare
There we
minimum,
go. Come on,
midnight
bro.
open, bro.
Come on, bro. You can do it, bro. You can do it, bro. What price is that? 75.84. Come on, bro. There we go. There we go. Come on. There we go. NASDAQ hit that previous daily high. I'm going to get out, probably. Let's go. I'm floating nicely. Psych. I take that back. As soon as you talk, nope. As soon as you say something, they want to start going the opposite way, bro. Why, though, bro? Why? RTY is it's not moving anymore, bro. I gotta take these profits, bro. It's gonna make me so. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, I want to throw up. Yeah. I'm gonna just let it play out. It's not gonna go though. I can already tell. It's not going lower, guys. RTY just stop moving. There we go. Maybe there it is. You gotta talk negative, and then it starts to go your way. It's so stupid, bro. There we go. I'm floating big right now. Let's go. I'm gonna kill this on my fundits here. Let's see. Come on. Previous daily high on NASDAQ getting hit.
Yeah, it looks solid.
Let's go, man. Just dump.
My target's midnight open.
Just dump, bro. I don't want to give back too much here, man, but I want to give it a chance to run. Oh my goodness, yeah, no, I'm actually gonna start protecting this, guys. RTY is showing too much resistance. NASDAQ hit that previous daily high. Yeah, I'm out of that. I'm out of that, guys. It's you give it a chance to break it. If it doesn't want to break it, you gotta respect it. I'll be okay with my small win here because if this does flip, I'm gonna get ready to buy it.
What the fuck?
Man, I hate this, bro, because it could dump here and I'm gonna be sick. Oh my goodness, it's still going lower. What's up with the R2Y though? Oh, look at that. It waits for me to get out, and then now there's no more bullish candles. But like I said, this previous day high bounce. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, I am legitimately sick, bro. This is starting to get unnecessarily scammy, bro. Like as soon as I get out, bro. All right, there goes that low. If you were still in, that's your TP right there. That London low. Just get out,
bro. Dude, Top Step's so ass. What the heck?
Good trade.
Top Step's so ass, bro. Like if didn't fill me. Okay, there we go. Never mind. All right, I just got out. Fuck you, Top Step. All right, we got it. How many handles did we catch on this? Yeah.
Some stuff is like, I kind of want to, I don't know if I really like trading, bro. I really don't, actually. It's not even a question at this point. Like, it does certain stuff as if, like, bro, what are you doing, bro? I got out, like, $300 on my funded account. I held the eval, so that's good, but I'm just like, bro, this is the trade I wanted, and it likes to bounce off of specific levels as if it knows you're watching. Because this previous daily high, we just saw what happened to ES on the previous daily high. So when you see that bounce, you're like, let me make sure I don't give back these profits because we just saw. And then it gives you 1 minute bounce and like, okay, he's out, guys. Now we can dump it. Stupid. But either way, good trade. I can't even get mad. It's $300 on a Friday. I'll tell you.
Yeah.
The target was like 700 though.
I was down 300. Now it came back. I'm up like 200, so I'm like fuck it, I'm done for the day.
And I'm actually gonna I'm gonna try to pass this eval today, bro. So I'm gonna stay on until 12.
Oh, you're gonna stay on for that long?
It's only 10:45, so what, like another hour and 15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Ben, good job, Ben. Ben caught the short too. But like I said, you gotta protect yourself with these irky jerky moves here. This is exact same, bro. I'm kind of like, oh, I'm pulling my hair right now, bro, because this is the exact trade I was just talking about. It's gonna pull back to one of these red swing points. It's gonna reject. You short it, target a session low. It can't get any simpler. And yet it still finds a way to try to scare you out of an A+ trade, bro. And I can't really blame myself. The price action this week is why I feel like this.
Yeah, it made us feel like kind of on edge this week, right?
Oh my lord, bro, this is a bang, 170% move here, and I got out at how many points? $300. It was like 0.8%, and we go 1.8%. But anyway, let's look for another trade because that was too easy, and now that I'm in that way next week, I can try to get that account buffered too. Cause this is like almost too easy, bro. Like, my goodness, bro.
Oh my god.
And I'm mad that Ben is still holding it. That's what's making me mad. I got a 20-year-old sitting next to me still holding his shorts, and I'm over here getting out. But like I say, his week has been a lot different than mine. This boy been getting blessed with big moves this whole week. So it's easier for him to hold, where we're just trying to finish this week.
Bro, we
Green.
still caught the trade, bro. Like, I mean, we didn't catch the whole trade, but I caught a little bit of the pie. You caught some of the pie. I mean, you know,
It's just like, come on, bro. Like that was too easy. That's the part that's rubbing me.
I feel it, bro. I feel it.
That was too easy. Like we said, it was bearish. It's gonna retrace with this new 30-minute candle. And it didn't even show any type of manipulation. It just tapped this swing high and dumped how many points on ES? I mean Nasdaq. Probably with this candle here. Yeah. And then we had to. That's what it was. Now that I see, okay, I'm not mad because we almost got stopped out. That's why I was so quick to manage that trade. I almost got stopped out by like 2 points, and then it turned all the way back around. So it made me feel like, yeah, bro, I'm floating $300.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. All right.
I think yeah. As soon as I got in this trade, dude, I literally was in drawdown immediately.
Right. Yeah. That's why. Yeah.
I was like, fuck. I got
Okay.
in right here.
Okay.
I got in here. I was in drawdown. I got in the bottom of the 1036 candle on ES.
Nice. Yeah.
And
I almost forgot that part of the trade. Yeah, that's why I was on edge because I almost got
Yeah.
stopped.
that
makes
messed
sense.
up our psychology going into the trade. We're like,
Yeah.
God damn it.
And then yeah, once you're floating profit, you're like, no reason to give it back. So a good
Yeah.
trade. What was I about to say? RTY still weak. This gonna keep going, bro. Good trade, man. He almost got stopped out too. Everybody almost got stopped out.
It's a Friday, bro. Like, it's gonna be like this. It is what it is.
Yeah, we almost got robbed here, but we actually made some money. And like I said, I'll be on for another hour. Let's see if we can catch this flip back higher because part of me thinks that the RTY is showing exhaustion. Right, look at it. It's going sideways while the others are dropping to try to catch up. We just pinpointed the exact move we wanted to catch, caught our piece of the pie. So I'm gonna delete this and watch for 11 o'clock or 11:30 reversal here.
Mm-hmm.
So look at these lows, right? We tap midnight price. We're tapping higher time frame order blocks. Yeah, we're back in bullish territory. Let's go. Like I said earlier, it's probably gonna short for like an hour just because 10 a.m. opens higher. This is perfect, bro. I can put this in my journal as this is a dream come true, man. I was supposed to slap that, bro. Oh, I'm mad. Cause I would have gotten a payout today if I would have held it to my TP, bro. Oh my goodness, bro.
Goodness gracious.
Because last week, I think we only got one trade last week, or
Yeah,
something.
one
Last week
trade
was
together.
slow.
Yeah.
Last week
No,
was
we got
slow.
it. We got more than one trade.
I can't remember. I just feel like I need because the consistency rule is 50% on the funded accounts. So I need my biggest trade last week was 1,000.
Yeah.
So I need another $1,000 trade essentially, and that was it right there. That would have been it. But anyway, starting to show some life, but I'll just use the same 30-minute sequence, bro. Same 30-minute profile. Let's see if we get a clean setup. If not, W's in the chat. If not, W's in the chat.
Yeah, I mean, banger's a banger, bro. I'm walking away for the day. I was way too much emotional stressing, bro, on a Friday. That was too much for me.
Facts. But yep, what better way to go out than on a win here?
Yeah, because when you don't trade for the whole week and like you've been on like edge the whole week basically with this price action.
Yep, you've been waiting for a clean setup, and now it's Friday, so it's like all right.
And then you finally get it clean setup, then you're immediately in drawdown. Then that just messes up your brain. You're
Facts,
like, God damn it.
I like this, bro. Hopefully this turns into a pivot because RTY is showing a little strength. Yeah, I'm gonna try to draw something up here, and if we get it, like I said, I'm gonna hammer it on my eval. Try to pass it today, bro.
I hope so.
If not, we're chilling. W's in the chat for the fundeds.
Yeah, man. June is next month, bro. We're about to have a killer June.
So let's go ahead and do this. That 930 low gets swept. Beautiful. Yeah, bro. So there's 10 minutes left. We're getting into that second macro here. So if we're bullish, it should show. if we're
Uh,
bearish or not. But
I'm heading out, brother. Got lots to do. Good trading today. Great catch. Great catch.
yes, sir, bro. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend. There's
How's next week
actually
looking like?
news on Monday, bro. So I might stream. There goes the buys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Yeah, we're about to flip, guys. But anyway, yeah, next week we have there's news, bro. Something just happened. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did see that, man. Good job. What's it called? Be safe and good luck trading.
But I think Monday has news, bro. I might stream Monday. Actually, I will. I will stream Monday.
PMI. It's PMI.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's
you should.
yeah, I'm gonna stream Monday. Typically, I've been taking Mondays off, but I think next week is gonna be fire all the way through.
Yeah. Yeah. All right,
All
man.
right.
Well, don't do anything you wouldn't do.
Yes, sir. You
Alright.
know me, bro. You know me. We're bro. It's so mechanical. It's like it's hard to mess it up. Either it's a
Yeah.
banger or you might get stopped out, but the win rate is phenomenal.
Yeah. Hey, man, it was good trading today. I'll see you next week. We'll get
Yeah,
back
man.
at it, bro. One
Good
W
week,
for the
man.
week. Not bad. A little W.
Yeah, bro.
We'll
Just
take
end
it.
the week green, bro. Stack up green weeks. That's the only thing you gotta do. Facts. All right, bro.
All right, bro. Peace out.
Later. All right, cool. Good job, guys. Good job, man. You see how bro? I'm telling you, bro. We're slowly becoming one of the best trading communities to watch, bro. We make it through the week, whether we catch a trade or not. We're stacking winning weeks after winning weeks after winning weeks, and then boom. What do you know? Fat payout, fat payout, fat payout, fat payout. All right, so just keep up the vibes here. God is the greatest. I'm telling you right now. All right, so look at this, right? What do we draw up next? You see all this bullishness, it's not random. You see all this bullishness, it's not random. This is what I was anticipating, right? Look at what we tap into. We tap into this very lower end down close candle, which is known as an order block. When you see a failed attempt to go lower and then a strong move off of it, we drive into it, and what do you know? More pressure. So you shouldn't be surprised when you see more bullish reactions off of it, right? So now I'm looking for some sort of gap to form. Come on, give us a gap and a fill, and then we're gonna start looking for the buys, man. Ideally, but we'll see what happens. We still got a lot of room for the sellers to try and take over if they want to, but I love this reaction here. Order block here. Session low swept. But do you guys see how we were able to map this trade out though? Like, it wasn't even any speculation. You let the market show its hand, you follow the hand, get a good entry, wait for some sort of pullback, right? This is why you always have to wait for a pullback, bro, because you know it's gonna happen. Typically it happens at some point, right? So when you see that pullback, you're like, all right, now it's time for me to try this. If I'm going to try it, it has to be now. You get a nice short. And if we can break this high, ooh, we are in bullish territory now. Right? Because what happened? We drove into these order blocks on the higher time frame. We broke that previous daily high for just a little bit, swept this low, and then look what happens. We immediately get back above it. We immediately shift back above it. Right? So you're seeing a nice shift here. If you can keep this momentum, there's undeniable bullish momentum right now. All right, so let's go ahead and do this real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. That's beautiful pressure right there. Look at that. Look at that. RTY on the run here. RTY on the run, on the run, on the run. RTY on the run. And you see how RTY gave you the answer? RTY told you to keep selling. Don't fall for the buys. And now RTY is giving you some life, so now we can start looking for the buys. Very simply put, man. Very simply put. And we haven't swept this low. So we got SMT off the RTY low. So let me make this very clean here. This will be a 10:30 trade idea where we sweep 10 a.m. low. Nice. I like this area right here, bro. I want to see price get above here. That'll confirm for sure that we're bullish. Start cleaning up a lot of this. Let's go, man. This is clean. Then you have here. Oh yeah. Look at that. We're flipping that. Yeah, good job. Let's make a new high. Come on, bro. Don't slow down here. This is a key point in the system here. I want to see that continued bullishness for this entire 30-minute candle. That shows you that price is interested in higher, and then we'll just look for that next 30-minute candle to open, dip into here, and then continue. And now it's starting to die off, bro. This is stupid. All right, I don't know. It looks like it's trying to bait you into something stupid here, because if we're truly bullish, there's no reason to slow down right now. Just like we saw here, when we're bearish, there's no reason to slow down. It'll pull back slightly, but then it continues. Pull back slightly, continue. We got this slight pullback here. You want a definite continuation with no resistance. It shouldn't be hard for price to continue. If it starts to struggle around this area, then that's your cue that something bearish is about to happen. That's that simple. That's your cue. Come on, bro. Just make a new high, bro. Oh my goodness. You could say we did break this order block, but these wicks are obviously a factor. Let's see, man. I hate stuff like this, bro. It could be so clean and it just chooses not to be. Like, why are you so strong right now? And then when you get to the highs up here, you just magically die. Come on, bro. That's a scam. Let's zoom in on RTY, see if we can get some definite answers here. All right, so what happened on this candle? 10:30, what are we doing? Yeah, it's starting to look like it might continue lower, bro. Let's clean up this chart and just take a look. Sweeping this low, nice wick rejection. I want to see a strong wick off of this low. And then you have level 3, level 4, level 3. Yeah, so yeah, it looks like it wants to try and go higher. It's just not going to happen right now. That's all this is telling me. Probably have to wait another hour. That's so stupid, bro. I think I'm just spoiled, though. Because like Obi was saying, that summer price action is literally going to be just like this. Very slow, methodical. You'll have to sit around for 4 hours until the market really starts to move. But when it starts moving, you're chilling, but you have to survive all of this. A lot of people get slapped in the face before the real move even happens, and then now your account's blown. But if you go back a couple months, bro, we were catching bangers, 15-minute trades, 20-minute trades. The same concept, nothing different, but the speed of these moves were so clean that you get spoiled a little bit. And now these slow moves make you feel like it's just not good, but it's just slow. All right, yeah, so here we go, man. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Deep breaths. Take your time here. Make sure we catch a banger or nothing. Getting out of that short hurt, though, bro, because that would have been a fat trade. Like I said, I did catch it. I held it on my eval for like 700. I don't even know how much I need to pass. Let's see. Yeah, still got some ways to go. All right, so higher time frame order block, check. 30-minute cycle. We sweep this low here. I was hoping for a quick flip off of this low. Swept this low, but notice we're still respecting this red area here. That's not a good sign if you're trying to buy, so I'm not going to buy it just yet. All right, take this EMA out of the way. Clean up my point of view here. All right, and then so 930, you see what's happening, right? This 930 price is the problem. Price is struggling to get above it. Man, bro, this is going to be stupid, bro, because it's going to try to run here. Oh, okay, we can do that. We can play that. All right, I'll take that. If we try to run here, I'm going to play it off of this level here. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so at 11 a.m., we might get this, guys. Hold on. If it keeps going, we might get it. You just want to see it break these levels right now, man. You just want to see it actually break instead of playing around. Previous daily high being hit. This could be so clean. So clean if it wants to be. Bearish areas, green, boom, boom, boom. So yeah, I'm watching this previous daily high area very closely here. Yeah, very closely. But how you guys feeling, man? Hopefully you guys caught some good trades. Hopefully you guys caught some good trades today. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Hopefully we gained some respect from that trade. That was, that was a very clippable moment. I drew that trade up well in advance. And the pressure off of that trade was really nice. So, like I said, this is your bearish area. Don't really need to harp on that, but you definitely see the most selling pressure from here. Excuse me. You want to see this start to break. All right, so let's do this. What time was this candle? So from 10:30 to 11 is what I'm watching, right? I'm watching all the price action in this 30-minute sequence. Because the moment this starts to fail, it opens the door for us to start trading higher. So 30-minute sequence here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we're already. I wish it would have just ran, bro. But yeah, we already have these bearish gaps here. Oh, there it is. There it is. That's what I'm watching. This is what I'll be watching from this candle, right? What do you notice? The candle sold off for 30 minutes off of this one bearish gap here. All right, for 30 minutes, this whole 30-minute candle was built off of this right here. Nice expansion, runs lower. All right. And now we're looking for a break of these highs in here. So that's, yeah, there we go. That's the trade idea right there. Has to get above there. Session lows, all that is bullish. RTY, it could try to short here too. So keep that in mind. Because the RTY, oh my goodness, we might try to short, bro. I hope not, but I hope not. I don't think I'm willing to short it again. I'd rather just walk away with no trade. Price has been way too strong. And there's a lot of bullish objectives in here. Previous daily high, higher time frame order blocks, previous session lows. Yeah, nah. I don't think I would be up for a short in this area. I just want to see clean buys, and that's it. All right, cool. So here we go. Previous 30 minutes. All right, so yeah, same thing, right? See this bearish candle on ES. Boom, boom, boom. Notice how we're just respecting it. The moment we start flipping it, we've already flipped this one down here. Yeah, the moment we start flipping out of this is like bingo. If we make it through it. It could chop in this area for 9 hours if it wanted to. There it is. Show some life now. I don't want to see it take forever, but let me do this also from 10:30. 10:30 to 11. What do you see? This was the only bearish candle, and RTY already takes it out. So that right there is foreshadowing for me. Very, very much foreshadowing. And I'm looking for, like we mentioned over here, just that break. Come on, break. Yeah, looking for that break. I hope it doesn't try to short, bro, because I'm not going to take it. I could draw up a short in this area that I like, but it's just not, you know, the risk is much greater than the reward when you're shorting at these extremes. Buy low, sell high. It's the number one rule for trading, bro. So, all right, there we go. Good job. Previous daily high holding up. So you can see how you can forecast what you want to see. And then once it starts to happen, you have no excuse not to get in. As long as it pulls back after breaking this high, I'm hip for it. And we might get we're going to get a new one. Yeah, so we're chilling. Hopefully this doesn't try to race away because I'm going to be extremely patient here. We got this 10:30 low being swept here. And then now we're starting to flip this area right here. Yeah, let's go, kid. Let's go. So I'm watching this area as well. This bearish candle right here gets my attention. And it's in the same area on ES, right? If you notice, this candle at 10:37 and this candle at 10:58 are identical. They're both bearish gaps, right? That's why they get my attention. And they're both within that 30-minute sequence. So now if the new 30-minute candle can just invalidate these, create bullish gaps like we see is potentially creating here. Potentially, right? Don't want to get too excited, but 16 seconds left. Looks like we're going to get a bullish gap there. That right there, plus breaking this high, is what I'm looking for. Thank you. Thank you. We get the gap. We get the break. Let's go. Now RTY should be doing the same thing. Has to do the same thing. There it is. Nice. Nice. You're seeing price clear these bearish gaps and create bullish gaps. Slight bullish gap. That works for me. Is it a gap? Yeah, it's a tiny gap. But that works because it's showing on everything else, right? Bingo. All right. So now that's like 60% of the sequence complete. And this is, remember when we were talking about the short earlier, I think where was it? It was like right here. I think Obi shorted right here at 10:24. What did I say? I said I wouldn't short it until what? We pull back into this bearish gap and start to turn. Same thing here. The setup is pretty much laying itself out. But you can't get involved until the pullback because you don't know how deep this pullback is going to be. This pullback could be way down here. And if you buy it here, now you're dealing with all that red drawdown. Or the pullback can be very shallow. You don't know how it's going to pull back. But when it pulls back, then you get in on the turn. That way you limit the amount of drawdown potential, and you know that all right, price should not come back to this level, and we should run. Oh my good. Oh, okay, I was zoomed in. I was like, where is RTY? Where is Mr. RTY? It's crazy because technically speaking, bro, no, yeah, we're chilling. It gave you like 2 setups in here. All right, it gave you this one right here where it was like the previous candle low. Oh, right here. It gave you this one, but it was inside of the same sequence, which is why I was willing to wait. We had price flip this bearish candle. Please don't run without me, bro. I'll cry. We had this bearish candle get broken, pulled back into, but we hadn't broken this high, which is why I was chilling. All right, now we break this high. We should get a pullback, and then it should be as simple as that, man. But this is like looking so sketchy right now. It's like running away, bro. Come on, kid. You can do it. Just pull back one more time. Oh, my goodness. This is what makes trading stupid. It forces you to wait for a pullback, but then a lot of the times it don't even pull back. And it's like, it plays that mind game on you like, man, I should just buy this right now. I should buy this right now. But we saw what happens when you don't wait for the pullback. Oh, let me just short this right now. It's going to run. Stupid, stopped out. Right? It's begging you to get in before the pullback. And that's why I don't. Like, it's tough to watch, but at least I'm not FOMOing into the trade. You know what I mean? So, and we haven't filled any gaps, bro. This sucks, bro. Oh my goodness. This could be your trade right here. Oh. RTY didn't do it though. That's the only reason I'm still having hope that it pulls back, because if you look, right, you got a buy signal right here. We broke this order block high, pulled back, and then boom. Let's say you bought it right here. What time is that? 11:08. If you go to RTY and you see that we flipped this gap, there's no pullback and flip. This is your first flip after a pullback, right? So we invalidated the bearish area, check. Broke out higher, check. Pull back to retest, check. Now you're getting the confirmation that the retest was valid by breaking this high. All right. Now that you get another break, you should anticipate a retest. It's the same concept. Break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. What does that create? Your trend. If you look, every move does the same thing, bro. Oh, that's RTY. That's going to look ugly. You can go look at any move on the markets. Break, retest, break, retest, break, retest, break, deep retrace, and then continue, right? Every move is the same, bro. It's all the same. It's just a matter of how long price is able to go higher before the retest, and it looks like we're going to just... Oh, I might punch a wall, bro. This was what makes trading stupid to me. How it just finds ways to just ignore your game plan. Or we just saw the perfect setup, break and retest immediately. Maybe price taps into this high and then retest. I don't know, but this is starting to look like a scam, bro. Why is it going so high without pulling back? I think it's over with, to be honest. To be real, I don't think we're going to catch it. 15 minutes of pure upside. RTY should pull back. If RTY pulls back, I'll trade RTY. This RTY looks reasonable, right? We had the break of the bearish area. The breakout, it waited for the next 30-minute candle. Boom. Yeah, I like RTY. I'm not even going to worry about ES and all them. RTY should pull back. It's the weaker one, right? It's been pulling back more aggressively today. So we should get another aggressive pullback before continuing. And here goes your gap right here. Well, another gap, I should say. We got that one. We got this one. Maybe some 2-minute gaps in here. Yep. There we go. Another 2-minute gaps in right there. I need to pull back into one of these 2-minute gaps for the algorithm to convince me that this is exactly what I trade every day, right? There goes the pull back into the first one. Let's see if the 2-minute chart makes sense over here. Oh, yeah. This is clean. This is clean still. Because remember, we had this upper gap here that we were watching. And now look, we break past it, gap through it, immediately pull back. It just looks like it's going to be a more aggressive buying profile here. So we're just waiting for this pullback here. There we go. Good job. Now we're talking. I was thinking that maybe it had to pull back into here, but it doesn't. There's literally 3 other gaps up here that price could use. And we still have like 15 minutes or so until this 30-minute sequence is up. I want to see price pull into a gap, obviously respect it, and then start climbing out of it. That's my cue that we're in a buy program. And then I'm going to target this 10 a.m. price. It's so close, bro. Just pull back more. I hate that we're so close to those levels. Because that's my target. I'm closing my trade when we hit that level. So if we can get like a healthy dive here. There we go. Just bleed. Just bleed all the way back to 930. That would be nice. That would be nice. There we go. Good job. All right, now we can start kicking our feet up and just watch the magic. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I kind of want to see it respect one of these upper ones, bro. I don't want to see it get down here now because we have reasons to hold, right? It's not like this is your only gap. We have a gap here at 1108. We have a gap here at 1111 and a gap here at 1112. So I would much rather see it hold the upper gaps so we can just get a quick flip, just a quick tap into here and then just keep going. Boom, 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 boom. There it is. RTY is doing it, holding the upper one. Now let's see if we can close through here. Notice we still haven't closed through here, just a bunch of wicks at this high. So now that this wick breaks this wick, I like to do the most aggressive wick at my area. So it was this area. Then we put this new wick. So now I'm like, let me just watch this wick. See if we can get above it. Boom, boom. Yeah. Beautiful. Just don't slow down, bro. If we just keep going, bro. Give me a pullback and then keep going. That makes the trade so A+. All right, so yeah, we can get rid of that. We're going to be using this 11 a.m. sequence as setup. Look at that. Anybody who bought it up here just lost money. It's like, you see what I mean? How it begs you. It begs you to FOMO in, bro. Look at it. Just look at it. And if you're new to trading, you'll learn the hard way, just like I had to. Everybody learns the hard way about FOMO. All right, hold on now. Don't get too weak. Because we did take this high here, so I'm watching that. Let me do that. We took that previous 30-minute high, showing a lot of rejection, tapping into this bearish gap. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. This could go bearish, man. You got to watch it very carefully in these areas. Boom, boom, boom. All right, yeah, we're chilling. I think it might go bearish, bro. That was a little bit too aggressive. Unless you see like a very quick move out of here, I think it's about to go bearish. You need to see like 2 or 3 minutes, 2 candles, and then back up here. Stay down in this area too long, that's a bearish move. Off of these highs here, the same level that was rejecting earlier. As you can see, 1, 2, now you're starting to form another one. Keep your eyes on that. Yeah, guys. Let's see if it keeps this bearish idea going. I wouldn't even mind the shorts though, because shorts are paying out. Look at this short on RTY. Fat short. Another nice short. And the shorts are, look at the difference in the buy. The buy just runs higher, scam. The short, break, retest, break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. Right? That's telling you that the bigger move is going to be to the downside, most likely. All right? If we're going to be bullish, what you want to see is this break, retest, break, retest, break, retest, break, retest, and so on. You just want to see it happen quick so that there's no, speculation. You're not sitting here wondering, are you wrong? You want it to be convincing. There it is. Yeah. Just run. Don't hang out in here too much. There you go. Good job, RTY. You see they call it a V-shaped recovery, where it goes one way, but then immediately gets back on track. Let's go. This is nice. This is nuts. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. And I might buy the RTY today, guys. Today may be my first day streaming the RTY idea. But I need these to catch up now. Come on now. So you have to give price a standard, right? So my standard is my trade idea must be confirmed before I see a new cycle. So if it's currently 11.23, I need to see this break this high by 11.30 minimum. If it doesn't break it by then that tells me it's not ready to go based on my data. You're going to deal with a lot of chop in a trade like that. All right, so like with the short, we had a clean break. So by the next 30-minute candle, I was not second guessing the short. It was only bearish, right? So now the next 30-minute candle opens here at 10:30. Now I can start looking for my position, and then you get a clean ROC sell signal right there. All right. Uh-oh, who's texting me now, bro? Come on. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so the idea will be if we can hold this area here, because what I'm looking at it is there's two things on the table here. It's worth a shot because we already have a confirmed signal right here. It is beyond confirmed here. This bullish gap is held, and we break this high right here. All right, remember this was the first one I was talking about. We break it. It's a little late, meaning we broke it in the next 30-minute sequence. But if we pull back and we respect these areas here, meaning we don't even bother getting underneath these lows here, and then this next 30-minute candle right here opens up at 11:30, and we start breaking out here like we're about to right now, just waiting for the next 30-minute candle. If 11:30 opens and we respect this area and we climb higher, that's worth a jab higher. 60 points would be how many contracts? 4? Yeah, about 4. 5? Yeah, 4. 4 contracts there. And it's already ripping, bro. And as you can see, if I'm drawing this up here, you can see that it would be this level right here. We flip it, pull back. Oh, it's trying to run. Break this high. We're chilling though because we know we have another 30-minute candle coming, so we're chilling. But we break this high. A new 30-minute candle opens, drives down into here. This is your swing. It's holding it. And it looks like we're about to finally give that confirmation again here on RTY. So either way, RTY is giving you the new updated entry. And then over here, oh, we're about to potentially get it on ES as well. Meaning we break this high and then the next 30-minute cycle gets into it. 30 seconds left. I doubt if we break this high. So look at this gap here. This is going to be my target for an entry. If we can pull back, respect here, I'm going to try to long it. Buys activated. So yeah, that's the game plan. Let's see if it plays out. All right, here we go. You see how lame this is? How long you gotta wait for absolutely nothing? But it is 12 o'clock, right? And we've noticed that 12 o'clock has been giving a lot of the turning points lately. So right at 12, you finally see the true bullishness. All right. So what I want to know now is, can we get a position on this trade that makes sense? Let's see here. So RTY breaks out, breaks this bearish gap, gives you this bullish gap. You want to see some speed here. All right. So I may end up buying this. Just looking for a push like this. Something like that. ES looking solid here. I'm going to get ready to buy ES with 15 contracts. All right. So what I'm looking for is two things here. Either this is going to be the trade that goes short the TP, or it's going to take another 30 minutes. But looking at the 30-minute chart, I was watching this low here, and the low looks pretty solid. All right. So yeah, I was looking at this blue line here, right? This blue line is what I wanted to see hold. It's holding up pretty nicely. All right, yeah, let's go ahead and buy this. Give that a chance there. And I want to know, can price offer a clean rally where there's not many pullbacks? If price decides to do all the pullback stuff, then now we have to watch these gaps, all the weird stuff. You know, the same process starts all the way over here with the new 30-minute sequence. But I'm anticipating that price will do what RTY did here. You see RTY didn't pull back much. RTY just runs, right? So that's what I'm anticipating here. Similar to what we saw with the short, right? Remember RTY was selling off right here, just sold, and then we were able to catch a pullback for the buy. I meant for the short right here. Now we see RTY pushing up strong. I want to see if we can get a nice rally to try and catch up here. All right, what else is going on over here? I want to see some gaps form past these bearish gaps, but I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. This could probably be one of the most ugly buy trades you could ask for. It really could. You know what I mean? So just get in where you fit in here and see what happens. Look, there it goes. There goes RTY pulling back aggressively. Did we tap that 10 a.m. over here? Let's see. No, not yet. It's right there, though. Yep, just brace yourselves for some shenanigans here. Price is going to feel the need to fill in every single bullish gap for whatever reason. So there's one right there. You want to see it tap and break this high right here, which is lame, bro. Like, at what point is the market just going to go somewhere without having to keep pulling back, right? You want to see the way it sold off on RTY here, where it had one pullback and then it hit its objective. You want to see those types of moves where it maybe pulls back once and then it just expands and then it gets away from this area. So now you're chilling, right? That's what you want to see. My goodness, bro. Let's get some speed here. It's 12 o'clock, man. And I took ES for one obvious reason here. Notice this blue line, bro. Notice this blue line, right? This blue line was never hit on ES, but the blue line was tapped into multiple times on NASDAQ, showing it's slightly weaker right now for whatever reason. So I'm giving ES a chance to make it to 10 a.m. first. There we go. Show some speed here. What price is 10 a.m. sitting at? 10 a.m. would be about 1.2 risk to reward here. 7609. 7609. Oh my goodness. My goodness, man. to. Where's 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. is pretty far over here. Let's see, if you're in NASDAQ here, what would be your idea? Yeah, like 400 there. Nice speed there. Really nice speed there. So yeah, we're looking for 10 a.m. on one of these. Let's see which one makes it to 10 a.m. first. NASDAQ's moving nice. Nice. NASDAQ is moving. Good job. ES, good job. RTY, good job. We break 10 a.m. Don't pull back, bro. Just give us a clean trade for once in the past 2 weeks, bro. No pullbacks. Just draw towards highs. Oh, we're about to take this high over here on these. Yeah, so we're chilling, man. We're chilling. We're waiting for one of these to hit 10 a.m. and then that's it. RTY has broken 10 a.m., so it could pull back, guys. These timestamps mean a lot, so if we're able to hold above 10 a.m., that's a great sign. And then you have this hourly high that I would anticipate to be hit for RTY. So you want to see it hold up above it, man. There we go. Come on. Just hold up above it. There you go. Now let's just keep racing here. There you go. Come on, man. Just run. Just run. Here goes the unnecessary pullbacks. Here goes everything you don't want to see. But at least, like I said, RTY breaks that. So, I don't know, bro. At this point, just put your target in and walk away. I'm gonna put my target in and walk away. That's what I'm about to do, because it's just gonna be as stupid as it can be for no reason. So just accept that, and yeah. What's the target? Yeah, we got a long way to go. What? All right, yeah. So, like I said, look, orders are in. Just, I don't even want to manage this trade, bro. Just let this play out. RTY, we broke 10 a.m. We're holding 10 a.m. nicely. So far, it could slam underneath it, but as of right now, it looks pretty solid. You would hope to see it just hold, man. Oh my goodness, bro. Some stuff is, you can't watch it, so I'm not gonna watch it. I'm not gonna watch it. I'll set some alerts up here. Let's check the hourly candles. We did just take an hourly high, so it probably wants to play weird at this level. Man, bro, just rip for us once, bro. Just for once, right? That's it. We're not asking for too much here. Just rip for once. And yeah, we'll see how this plays out. Whichever one hits 10 a.m. first, keep your eyes on the NASDAQ in case NASDAQ tries to take 10 a.m. first. Man, bro. The speed is nice, but it's like you just don't care about these small moves, these subtle pullbacks. You want price to seek so much higher right now. Man, bro. Just makes you like, I'm telling you, I really don't like trading. I'm starting to understand that. I only like it when the market actually shows like some genuine urgency. That's the only time it's fun. Being in the one trade all day. We sat here and waited for this all day. You break out and then immediately start pulling back. For what? We'll see though. I'm gonna just walk away. All right, looks like my alerts are going off. It looks like we just decided to stop exactly at 10 a.m. I'm telling you, bro. What about this one? Did we tap it over here? All right, we didn't tap it over here yet. It's like, bro, like, how hard do you have to try to be so stupid? Like, just go. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's like I want to close it right now, but then it's just like, I don't like to practice those bad habits because there's no reason for this, bro. There are certain targets that I like to see hit because they hit. And as you can see, this is like, it's choosing to be so stupid, man. And I don't know if I can really tolerate this, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. It's choosing to do this. Like, it's almost like it knows I'm the one in this trade, bro. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna walk away. I'd rather lose than to close this up here. Or maybe just go break even or something, bro. But I think I'm just done with trading, bro. This is starting to get on my nerves. I mean, it goes exactly where I want it to go on one chart. And my TP is right here. It was literally less than a point. It was 0.25 away, and it drops $5 before it could go up a half a dollar. Not even a half a dollar, a quarter. So yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'll probably just of course just lower my risk here. So if it does come all the way back down here, I'll lose 100. How much am I willing? $150, but I'm not. I'm just gonna go walk away again, bro. As you can see, it's gonna do stupid stuff, and that's just, at this point, you just gotta accept it, bro. There's nothing I could do about it to make this make sense. RTY, we already broke 10 a.m. on the RTY. We pull back to this blue line, show great resistance. So I don't understand what's the holdup. God, man, I'm out of here. How about that? Markets like to move when I'm not watching. As soon as I get on here and start watching, look at exactly 0.5 away from where my TP is. Like, come on, bro. Like, it should have filled me right here. This trade should be over. It's all right, though. If it comes all the way back down here, you guys know I'm probably somewhere punching a wall. All right, yeah. So this might be where I actually legitimately crash out. I promise you, like you can't make this up, bro. I don't even want to hold this. I want to close it, bro. I want to close it so bad. What time is it? No gaps on the higher time frame. We got a 5-minute gap here that just needed to be filled, I guess. Some stuff is just like, bro, what is truly up? Like, what's the rest of the market doing? Nothing. That's what it is. Rest of the market is doing absolutely nothing. And it's a Friday, man. I should have just took. I tried to set a good target. It taps in here and trade is over, bro. You know what? I don't care enough, bro. I'm about to close this, guys, and I'm about to go and live my life. Yeah. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna put this at $100, which I already know it's gonna go. It's gonna go wherever I put my stop at. It's gonna go right there. Stop me out. Oh my goodness! Yeah, get me out of here, man. I'm done. I'm done. Good job, Nasdaq. Good job, stock market. You know exactly what to do in order to make me upset. I mean, picture perfect example of stupidity. So let me just run away before I get too upset here. Yeah, let me get out of here. Yep, guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for anybody watching. I'm sorry, bro. Maybe this is just payback from us milking the market. It's refusing to make sense. And then look at this. What's up with this random spike? Okay, they ain't showing over here. Yeah, I'm out of here, man. Y'all take care. I could draw this up and put it up. Where is it at? I should have screenshotted it. But this thing literally edged my target by 0.25. And I could have closed it, but it's like, why would it slam off of nothing? That's what I'm thinking. It didn't even tap it. I mean, it didn't even break it. So why would it slam off of it? That's what I'm thinking. But apparently it doesn't matter what I think, huh? And now look at this. I don't know. I still don't want to hold it. It's not worth my sanity. Made some money on the short earlier. Was trying to, bro. I should have closed this at 10 a.m. exactly, but it didn't hit on the proper contract here. It just didn't tap it, and it hasn't tapped it on Nasdaq either. Nasdaq is still ranging. RTY breaks 10 a.m. pulls back like it should, but look at the blue line. Still holding it, telling me that price should not be way down here, man. It's just doing this just to get me out of my trade, and it won. So let me get out of here. It's Friday. I shouldn't even be we shouldn't even be online right now. We should have been out of a trade. 1, 2 bangers, not even 2. The first banger was big enough if I would have held. Today, it's just a strange day, bro. Strange day, bro. It's like it's doing everything to scare me out of my positions, bro. And then as soon as I get out, it goes the way it's supposed to go. Like, bro, you can't make this up, bro. But next week undoubtedly has to be so much better that's what I'll look forward to, man. I don't even care about this week anymore. It's over with. Wrap this up. Hopefully you guys had a decent trading week. I got some small wins. Deeply upset with how these trades have been playing out the past couple days. So I'll just enjoy my weekend and see what happens next week. All right. I'm out of here. You guys take care. God bless, as always. You say, I think you're muted. You know, I was trying to walk away. Great weekend. Be safe. Yeah, bro. You guys be safe as well. And I will stream Monday simply because there's a lot of news on the table starting Monday, so it should be a clean session on Monday. All right. Later, guys.